Welcome back to the Pen Partner. Why I'm giving this title Pen Partner? Suppose you have completed your LLB degree and one client came to you as a plaintiff or as a defendant. But if the came as a plaintiff, then you are filing a case in the court of law. When you are filing a case in the court of law, then you have to prepare a draft. After preparing the draft, you know that the BNS section or criminal section or other section is applicable here as per your knowledge and education, because you know this section BNS section is applied, this BNS section is applied, and this BNS section is not applied to the plaintiff. So you are making a case, but the main catch here, which what that is the grammatical things while putting on paper. While putting on paper, you require grammatical knowledge, accurate grammatical knowledge to put on paper, so that the court of justice and the court should see the drafting, and this drafting is important. While in the court, you are free to use your vocabulary. You can speak in any way, in any, but if you commit any mistakes, the court will not take immediately objection, but in writing they will take that objection. Suppose you are saying that our client filed this case or our client filed this case. There is a difference. Filed in the past, or somewhere in this passive voice, or somewhere in the direct voice, somewhere in the indirect voice, or somewhere in the active voice. But while speaking in the court, you just misspelled. There is no problem. But while writing, it is required to prove the foolproof writing. So what is the role of the pen friend? The pen friend, you prepare a drafting of 20 pages. Suppose 20 pages drafting you made with BNS section or other sections applied to the plaintiff, and then you are fighting the case. You just required to get this 20 pages corrected by a very good writer, English writer. They can correct it and they can again give you back by correction, foolproof correction. Then you put in the court, and this is the work of the pen partner. Similarly, if the person is pursuing the MBA, and after just joining the institutions, they are the officer, they make the mails, the writings, the letters. If there is any mistakes or the grammatical problems is there, the role of the pen friend comes here. So we are the friend of every professionals. Suppose you are doing the PhD. In the case of PhD, you are writing thesis. In the thesis, there is a 200 pages to 2000 pages thesis. You have written with your knowledge, but thing is this: who will correct grammatically the thesis, and the foolproof thesis grammatically, who will make the pen partner? This is our role to make perfection in writing. When the perfection is writing is concerned, always remember pen partner. Just to make the mail, we are a partner. We are a partner for you. Pen partner for LLB, MBA, and other things.